Hi there ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Capital A Trading, and welcome back to my latest episode of Case Study. So every week I analyse the markets, I go through the charts, I bring you the best opportunities what I can see for the week ahead. So again, you're going to see now in this video what was previously said about the euro pound and how it's progressed just 3 days later. So again, if that sounds good to you, if you trade, if you take investments, my advice, hit that subscribe button in the bottom right corner. Stay up to date with the channel. There's a lot of exciting content coming within the next month. A quick shout out to my sponsors, the Absolutely magazine. It's available now in all Waitrose and M&S stores. Go and check that out. With that being said, let's take a look at what was previously said on the euro pound. Back to the baby now. It's the euro pound. Now, remember this 86 level I've been mentioning. It's another trade that has pulled off perfectly from last week. I was kind of saying don't be so naive to thinking it will happen again, but the market makers are really relentless. As you can see, it's happened again around the 86 level, played off what I've marked out perfectly and had a good drop. So now what I'm looking at for this week, and I'll just show you if I come to a 2 hour, we're looking at the retest. I'm going to be looking at the retest that was left on the London close. So if you look here now, this was where London closed on Friday, and then it continued having the push down. So if there's going to be a retest off of a marker they've left there, I'm saying to look out for the 85,600 to the 85,700, 800 level. There could be another re-entry there and then a continued push to the downside where I'm expecting price to come and wipe this area out. So I'm expecting price to maybe be at the 84 level long term. As you can see, this has been relentless for ages now and it's just continued dropping. So be aware of that. I'm expecting it to just pull back up towards that London close. And then of course we may get the re-entry to carry on riding down. That's the euro pound. Okay, so what I want to kind of do for you now is just explain how I noticed the trade, what actually was I looking at, and of course as you can see now the progression of it. So basically on Friday afternoon the euro pound I noticed left a piece of price action that looks familiar to me. So as you can see here, this is an hour time frame on the euro pound. At 3 o'clock price was shot up, 4 o'clock shot down. So the London session has just closed. They've left almost like a hanger there. There's like a marker there, and I need to monitor it and watch it for the next week. So that's over the weekend. That's Friday done. We now get to Monday, and what you get is me analyzing the market, telling you to watch out for this candle. Let's see if price comes back towards it, and then we may get a sell position from there. Now, as you can see, price arrived back at 8 o'clock in the morning. This is when London's now reopened. So they closed on Friday, left that marker. They're now back in the morning to continue with their trade and what they're doing. Now, as you can see, they sit in the area for a couple of hours. They start to drop down. They start to show signs that what you're focusing on is actually going to happen. What we then get is price retest the next day on the New York Open. So here's the 1 o'clock open. And then price starts to shoot down aggressively. We've had a 60 pip move from the area. It's not the biggest move in the world. But again, I'm just trying to show you how these opportunities are being brought to you on my channel, and then you can catch them during the week. So that's the euro pound. Again, be sure to catch the Forex Weeklies out every Sunday. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all from me this week. Again, showing you some opportunities that are being brought to you every Sunday, and again, what you can do to catch these profitable situations. So again, if that sounds good, if you trade, if you invest, hit that subscribe button in the bottom right corner. There's some exciting content coming very soon. We've got a beginner's guide being launched in August. Again, quick shout out to the Absolutely magazine. Thank you for everything. It's available now in all Waitrose and M&S stores. Go and check that out. Have a great trading week.